Today's quick coding clinic review addresses the question of how to code a diagnosis of urinary tract infection and hydronephrosis with obstruction due to ureteral calculus. This question was previously addressed in the coding clinic from second quarter of 2018 on page 21. My name is Claire and I'm an inpatient coding auditor. In my coding clinic review videos, I provide explanations on topics covered in coding clinic. My goal is to help you improve your medical coding skills and code with confidence. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel to receive notifications whenever I release new content. So how do you code a diagnosis of urinary tract infection and hydronephrosis with obstruction due to ureteral calculus? At first glance, you may think that this diagnosis would require 3 codes, one for the urinary tract infection, one for the hydronephrosis, and one for the ureteral calculus. It actually only requires 1 code to capture all 3 diagnoses. The correct code to use in this case is N136 pyonephrosis. The coding clinic explains that this code can be found in the alphabetic index by first referencing the main term hydronephrosis, followed by the subterm with, then obstruction, then ureteral NEC, then calculus, and finally with infection, leading to the code N136 pyonephrosis. Additionally, the coding clinic states that no additional code is necessary for the urinary tract infection because obstructive uropathy with infection is an inclusion term under code N136. So that's it for today's quick coding clinic review. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and if there's any topics that you would like me to cover in the future, just leave a comment below and I'll add them to my list. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy coding.